Hey everyone! Today, let's delve into the concept of a lawful object. Sounds complicated? Don't worry, I've got you covered. First things first, what is a lawful object? In simple terms, a lawful object is the subject matter of a contract that is legal and not against public policy. Think of it as the what of your agreement. It's what you're agreeing to do, give, or refrain from doing. Now, why does this matter? Well, for any contract to be valid, the object must be lawful. If it's not, the entire agreement can be void. For example, if you make a contract to sell illegal drugs, that's not a lawful object. The contract is void from the get-go. Okay, so what makes an object lawful? First, it has to comply with the law. Sounds obvious, right? But you'd be surprised how often this comes up. Second, it shouldn't oppose public policy. And this is where things get interesting. Public policy is this broad, sometimes vague concept that covers the collective interests of society. It means the object of your contract shouldn't harm society or go against its moral, social, or economic fabric. For instance, a contract for human trafficking or fraud, totally against public policy. But it's not always black and white. Courts often look at the bigger picture to decide if an object opposes public policy. They consider the impact on society, fairness, and sometimes even evolving social norms. Let's break it down with an example. Imagine two companies agree on a contract where one promises to pollute less in return for some monetary gain. On the surface, it might seem okay. But if the pollution levels are already regulated by strict laws, this agreement might actually undermine public policy. So, as future lawyers, it's crucial to scrutinize the object of any contract. Make sure it's not just legal, but also aligns with the broader societal norms and values. Let's look at some Indian case laws to understand this better. In the case of Garulal Parakh versus Mahadeodas Maya, the Supreme Court of India held that an agreement to share profits from a business of wagering was void as it was against public policy. Another example is the case of Sita Ram versus Radha Bai, where the court ruled that a contract for the sale of a minor's property without court permission was void as it was against public policy. These cases highlight the importance of ensuring that the object of a contract is lawful and in line with public policy. I hope this clears up the concept of a lawful object for you. If you have any questions or need further clarifications, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more legal insights. See you next time.